welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome friend. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to put a cosmetic Valentine bouquet together. It can be a gift for a friend, a special someone in your life, or if you just need to surprise somebody and say, Happy Valentine's Day, friend, here's a gift just for you. Now today I'm going to show you the supplies that you're going to need. All right, I'm going to remove this from the vase and set that aside. So I'm going to show you what we're going to need. First thing you're going to need, friends, is a piece of, this is lightweight poster board, and I got this at the Dollar Tree. Now this particular piece is 15 across, 17 up and down. That's what I started with, but you're gonna just, if you decide to make one, you're just gonna have to make it work for how many cosmetics or how many items you're gonna put in your little cone. All right, I used some ribbons to make this pretty bow with. I used pipe cleaners to keep the bow together. And then I used one of these little heart fillers in the center. All right, you're also gonna need a piece of floral styrofoam to stick in the center of your cone, and I'll show you in just a minute how that works. Of course, you're gonna need scissors, and you're gonna need some of these shish kebab sticks or these little bamboo sticks. These items over here I may or may not need, and this is white shred, my tape dispenser with tape, and some tissue paper. I don't know if I'm going to need those. We'll just have to see as we go along. All right, friends. I chose these two heart picks right here. And I think I got these last year after Valentine's Day from Hobby Lobby, so I got these really cheap. But you can use whatever you have, whatever pick works for you. You're also going to need, if you choose, a rose. And I got this one at the Dollar Tree for $1 whole. It's so pretty. And for my Valentine bouquet, I chose makeup items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. They're the LA Color brand and also the Wet n Wild. And I picked up some nail files, eyeshadow, mascara, blush brush. Here's the blush. Here's the nail polish and some lipstick, and some eyeliner, and a little makeup mirror. Look at that. And a little makeup bag. I think all in all, I spent like $10 or $11 on the makeup I'm using. I may or may not use this little Valentine girl. She's one of my favorites from the old-timey Valentines. And you can log on to Google and click on free printables, Valentine, and you can get some of these printed off for your projects. All right, I think that's about it. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that I cheated on you once again because I went ahead and took my cosmetics and I took my bamboo stick or my shish kebab stick. I painted these white. I went ahead and glued them on there, and then I secured the heavy items with a piece of tape. And then I chose to put a little bow and embellish it with one of those little glittery hearts that came in those little dollar packs from Dollar Tree. And I just did that just because I just wanted to see what it looked like, and it turned out real cute. Okay, friends, the first thing that you're gonna have to do is you're gonna take your piece of lightweight poster board, or you can use some scrapbook paper that they sell at Hobby Lobby. They have some beautiful designs and prints, but I didn't make it down there this week. So anyway, I picked this up at Dollar Tree and it worked out just fine for me. All right, you're gonna take it. And there's no right or wrong way to do this, friends. I just play with it until I make a little cone. The main thing that I need to get is a little small tip at the very end, a little cone end, because you can always spread out the top depending on how many items you're gonna put in your little cone. You cannot go wrong. See, you can twist it, and depending on how many items you have, you can open it up. And I just used a piece of tape to hold this in place. So that I could show you the next step. Okay, so you've got your little cone. I know this looks kind of big, but at the end you can trim off some of the bottom, and you're gonna glue it and seal it at the bottom. You're gonna take your piece of styrofoam and you're gonna work it in your cone. Kind of wedge it in there tightly. And that's what's gonna hold your cosmetics in place. All right, that's all it took. I already have one ready right here. And to keep it in place, I just used a rubber band. So, oh, I forgot to tell you, you're gonna need a glue gun too. A glue gun that's plugged in, preferably. I remembered to plug mine in. I'm just gonna add a dot of glue right there on the tip. To hold it in place. This makes such a nice gift. I made these one year. They were, of course, a lot smaller. I made them out of scrapbook paper, the metallic, and I made them for Mother's Day gifts. Okay, I've already got the styrofoam in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some glue just to make sure I keep the styrofoam in place. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. Would it be better if I turn it this way? Hey, Eric! Hi! Would it be better if I turn it this way or this way for the camera?
Preferably the other way.
Okay, this way.
Yep.
Alrighty, friends. You've got your cone already. You've got your piece of styrofoam glued in there and secured. Now it's time to start putting in your items. And I start with the largest one first. I'm going to start with these nail files. Think about right there. And also like your heavy items, oddball shape, like your eyeshadows. Okay, now I'm gonna put the little makeup mirror over here. And friends, I'm gonna tell you something. It's gonna take just playing with it before you get it exactly the way you want it. Trust me, mine didn't come out exactly right the first time. All right, let's see. Now I'm going to put a mascara. And these are so cute. These are kind of like little purse size, little makeup bag size. Well, my whole thing wants to come out there. Add some more glue to that. about we use the nail polish. Just realized I have this on low because friends, guess what? I burned myself last video and I just had to suck it up. Y'all didn't know it, but oh my God, I was about to go into convulsions. But I sucked it up and I was okay, but I don't want to do that anymore. That's why I kind of had it on low while I was playing with this. It's not fun when you burn yourself on camera. You don't want to let people know you're in pain. All right, let's try the lipstick here. Oh, this is looking so cute. Let me put in the blush. Well, that's all right. Now here goes your, this is pretty cool. This is lipstick and the gloss together. Oh my gosh, it's looking so cute. Friends, y'all know how excited I get when it's looking so good. This just has 2 hearts on it. Let me pull some of these out. I know this looks hard, but no, it's not hard at all. Okay, I think that I'm going to put the flower in back here somewhere. Let's see if we can do this. And when I made the little ones for that little luncheon I had a little Mother's Day luncheon several years back for a couple of my friends. And like I said, I used some scrapbook paper and I made them real little. And I only put 3 items in it plus candy. And they just look so cute with everybody's name on them. Oh gosh, this is gonna look cute. Cuter than what I thought. Friends, how is that? It is looking so pretty. And it's not even finished yet. We still have the bow. Oh, I forgot about the little makeup bag. Give me a minute. I think I'm just going to, I didn't want to put glue on this little makeup bag, so I think I'm just going to fold it over and stick it in here. It says, "Wake up, makeup." How cute is that? Oh my gosh, Eric, I'm so excited. This is so cute. Be so excited seeing somebody walk up with this as a gift for me. Friends, look at this. Is that not pretty? And we're not finished yet. We are going to add the bow. And I went ahead and made this bow ahead of time because I really wasn't sure what ribbon I was going to use. But I think these are going to be just fine. And then these are those little fillers that you get in a package from Hobby Lobby. So I've picked them up over the years and I just like to stick them in the center of bows. They just add that little pop and burst of color there, the glitter. I think right about there. You know, if you wanted to make this high-end, you can spend as much money as you want on it. But I know I spent like a total of maybe $11 or $12, plus the stuff I already had. So it doesn't take much to make a pretty gift and put a smile on somebody's face on Valentine's Day. Or like I said, this is a cute gift for a birthday girl, or Mother's Day gift, friendship gift, you name it. Possibilities are endless. Oh my gosh. I'm going to turn it around to see if it needs that Valentine. Oh my gosh, of course it does. Let's see. I think I'm just going to glue the little, I'm just going to put a little glue on that foot and see if it'll stay. Oh my gosh, friend, a Valentine for you or me. What do you think? Comment below and let me know what you think about this project and how would you recreate it? Let me know what you would put inside. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, friends. I appreciate all of you. May your day be filled with good thoughts, kind people, and happy moments. Bye. See you next time.